Hello. It's been a minute since I made a proper video. Yeah, hello. And it's also been a while since I did a proper mission. So I figured today would be a nice day to do both. I saw on maps that there's this place where they basically dump old airplanes, which sounded quite interesting because they were all like chilling around, abandoned. And yeah, it's gonna be nice, I think. I just drove here for 20 minutes with a super cool bike. Actually, I've been driving only the crappiest of crappiest bikes in the past, and this one feels so smooth compared to all the other bikes I've had. Like, look at that. A little cookie. I didn't even notice that. Anyway, it's been really smooth, and yeah, let's just explore a little bit. Hello. Oh my god, it's so hot here. Just my helmet up. I'm sweating. Oh my gosh. Yep, cute hair. Whew. I'm in Thailand, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned it. It's my last day here in the north, and then I'm heading south. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna... Ooh, my god. Okay, you got this. What do we have here? It's like basically just up the road. It's so funny. I don't know anything about airplanes. I'm not interested in them whatsoever, unless they're abandoned. That kind of caught my interest. But yeah. Climbed over that fence there where it says stop. I wasn't sure if I'm allowed to do that, but I asked the Thai man and he said yes. I mean, he didn't say yes, but it was very clear, his gesture. And yeah, now I'm in the middle of some fields. Oh, but I should have closed my backpack. Hang on. And there's, in the far distance, you can see an airplane. So cool, I'm excited. Ooh la la. Here we have not an airplane, but I assume that was used to transport passengers at the airport. Ooh. Why is there heretics? Nobody knows. There's all sorts of random things here. Some containers. Oh, I think these vehicles are used for transporting the luggage in the suitcases. Hello. I don't know if you can see it, but there are some dogs living under that truck. Don't seem very friendly. Well, I hope they stay there. I think that's just protecting the area a little bit. More containers. And we're getting closer to the plains. It's so friggin' hot. Actually, I'm sweating so much. But it's worth it, I think. I hope my battery will last. It's orange. Oh no. It reminds me a bit of Fallout. This whole scenery, very post-apocalyptic. Very nice. Whew, just the sun is a bit much. Ooh la la, okay. What do we have here? Something airplane related. Ooh. No idea what that is. Maybe it's the tip, like the... Clearly I'm not a professional, but it looks a bit like... Okay, I have no idea what I'm talking about, but it's something. Should we explore that little buddy over there? And then I'm really excited for that one because that looks pretty intact. I think we can go inside. And these ones are a bit more destroyed. Ooh, that's really cool. Ooh, okay, it seems kind of stable. I mean, it should be now, it's an airplane. They're not built to fall apart. Even though everything is eventually. Some curls. Whew. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing here. Clearly don't have the perfect shoes for this adventure. Slippery. Okay. Okay. It's basically a retirement home for airplanes. Though not a very good one, because it's clearly falling apart. Nobody's taking care of them. But maybe it's more graveyard. It's like the skeletons and bones are everywhere. I mean, look at that. But to be fair, where else would you throw a plane away, you know? It's pretty big, it doesn't fit in a garbage can. I guess you have to like completely take it apart and then... I don't know if they recycle that. Ooh, that looks cool. Hello. Mr. Plane, front face. It looks like it has teeth here. Hello. Ooh, I like this. 29%. Oh my god. Whew. It's nice to be in the shade for a bit. Hello. Someone's clothes. I was like... I was about to say astronaut clothes. What's the term for people driving a plane again? Pilot? Pilot. Here we go. This is so cool. It's like a little playground. Ooh. Hello. Ooh, I kind of want to climb up there. Okay, maybe we do that one first before I run out of battery. And then if there's still time, we can check out the other one. Bum, 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 bum. Da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. This is so cool, what the hell. Okay, oh, dead bird. Oh, little buddy. Doesn't have his head anymore. Sorry. Okay, so there are stairs up there. Just don't know how reliable they are. Well, they should be, no? Surely people have been up here before. Hello? Okay, hang on, I gotta put you here. Oh, I got his sword. Ow, it's burning. Oh my god, this metal is really heated up. Okay, we're in an airplane. What the hell? This is so cool. Whoop. Hello. Oh my god. That's amazing. It's so fucking hot in here, but I love it. Ah, look at that. All these buttons. Signal, wing, anti-ice, wolves, probes, air bleed. Extract. That's amazing. Okay, we gotta sit on that chair, right? We gotta sit on it. This is amazing. I'm so happy. Oh my god, there's a little bit of wind in here. It's quite nice. Ooh, it moves up. Okay. Wait, hang on. Am I the co-pilot? Or is the real pilot sitting there? Ooh, what do these do? I wish someone could explain to me what all these things do. Parking brake. Okay, that's self-explanatory, isn't it? These things? What do they do? Maybe for the wings? Like the... how do you say? The angle of the wings or something? Just speculating here. Holy shit. I love this place. Windows. Yep. I agree. Apparently there was an emergency here. Oh, they have the best seat. I mean, look at that. It's just premium seats. Gotta sit on it. Oh, they're not very stable. Oh man, I just missed exploring so much. It's been a while. Oi. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Clearly not stable. There's some walls, I'm assuming. Oh, okay, the floor starts to dissolve. Oh, wow. Man, I always wondered what it looks like underneath the seats. If you were wondering the same, you're very welcome. May I present to you the dark side under the seats. Dun, 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 dun. Huh, very simple. Should we go to that side? Yeah, why not? I think I can jump there. Or maybe we should take the bridge. The bridge. Yep. It is a bridge. Gets you from A to B, then it is a bridge. Hello, hello. That's the wing. And some farmers. Hello. That looks so romantic. Who wouldn't want to sit there? Another shuttle bus. This is a plane we've just explored the inside of. Whew. Yeah, I think this is almost it. Oh, I love how the plants are growing in there. You ever been in a turbine? I think I'm in one. At least part of it. Oh my god, it's moving. Oh. Wait. So cool. This looks like a face, and this looks like an eye. Oh, it looks so happy. Look at that. Oh, abandoned happy piece of metal, and an eye that's always watching the trash. Oh, hang on, I love these. Oh my god, this is like therapy to me. Look at that. Oh. Thank you, nature, for doing this. Oh my god, this is adorable. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look. Good night. I want to go into that. No idea what it is, but it looks intriguing. Why, hello? Hello! Ooh, the crunch. Yep. Worth it. And look at that little bridge. That is so cute and proper overgrown. I think the other one is a better choice, though I'm really tempted to go through here. You're a beautiful bridge. I will admire you from afar. Alrighty, I'm gonna head back. I'm the sweatiest ever. Oh my god. Well, thank you so much for joining this little mission, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hi, doggo. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, bye bye.